Calm and follower introductions and elements. Calm. A calm is a mechanical member used to impart a desired motions to a follower by direct contact. The calm may be rotating or reciprocating, whereas the follower may rotate, reciprocate, or oscillate. Application widely used in automatic machines, internal combustion engine, machine tools, and printing control mechanisms. Elements of calm system: a driving member known as calm, a driven member called the follower, a frame which supports the calm and guides the follower. A calm and a follower combination belong to the category of higher pair due to line or point contact. Classification types of calm according to the shape, wedge, and flat cam. A wedge cam has translational motions. The follower can either translate or oscillate. Radial or disc cam, a cam in which the follower moves radially from the center of rotation of the cam. Spiral cam, a phase cam in which a groove is caught in the formable spiral, commonly utilized in computer or mechanical computing systems. Cylindrical cam, a cylinder rotating about its axis has a circumferential contour cut into surface, also known as barrel or drum cam. Conjugate cam, a double disc cam prefer when requirement dictate low where low noise precise follow control high speed and high dynamic loads. Globoidal cam features convex or concave surface used when moderate speed and large angle of oscillations are required. Follower motion profiles and classification. According to polar movements, rise, return, rise. Alternate rise and return of the polar with zero dwell period. Dwell, rise, return, dwell. Features distinct dwell period before and after the actions. Dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. Standard industrial cycle where rise and return are separated by intermediate stabilization period. According to polar shape, knife edge polar. Limited usage due to excessive surface wear at the point of contact. Roller puller achieves pure rolling action at lower speed. Some sliding occurs at elevated speed, not preferred for steep rises. Mushroom or flat face puller eliminates the risk of jamming with the guiding structures. Key cam terminology. Base circle. The smallest circle tangent to the cam profile drawn from the center of rotation. Pressure angle. The angle between the normal to the pitch curve and the direction of polar motions. It defines the steepness of the profile. Pitch point. The point on the pitch curve where the pressure angle reach its maximum value. Prime circle. The smallest circle drawn tangent to the pitch curve, angle of ascent, total angle turned by the cam during the followed lift, angle of dwell, angle turned while the follower remains stationary, dynamics and force exerted. The force exerted by cam on follower is always normal to the cam surface at the contact point. F vertical F cos alpha lift the follower, F horizontal F sin alpha exerts lateral bearing pressure. To optimize performance and minimize side thrust, the base circle diameter is scaled off, reducing the maximum pressure angle alpha.